Hey guys, this is a quick unboxing video of this Acer 32-inch 1440p 144Hz monitor that I recently got off of Amazon. I looked on YouTube, there wasn't that many unboxings or reviews on this monitor, so just doing this quick unboxing so you guys can see how massive this thing is. So let's get started. You guys can see this is a 32-inch Acer 144Hz 1440p monitor. It's got the 1800 curvature on it. Upgrading from a 24-inch monitor that I had, Acer, actually Asus. And this thing is pretty massive, very sleek looking. Looks just like the Acer Predator, except this one's got the FreeSync instead of the G-Sync. Looks very well built, nice and sleek. Pretty sturdy. Alright, well, let's get this thing up and running and see how it looks. Alright, so I got this thing set up. So far so good. Picture's pretty clear, nice and bright. Not too bright to where it hurts your eyes, but just enough to where you can see everything pretty clear. You can see the difference between this old 22-inch monitor that I'll be using as a secondary monitor. Now with this 32-inch curved, looks really nice. Speakers are actually not bad at all. With my old Asus 24-inch, the speakers were pretty low and not good quality at all. These are pretty loud, pretty clear. Right now I got them on like level 20 or something like that, and it's pretty loud. But overall the quality of the picture is really good. These are all the settings that are listed on the side here. I haven't had a chance to mess with any of the HDR stuff, but I'm not too worried about that.